kidhi Madhare, Kibra, slums Nairobi kae, gi nyithi luo duto mantiere. Ang'a gitimo Nairobi kae, kipenjogi. 20,000 kile Nairobi 20,000. Ti iweyo dala, iweyo eka achiel mar oduma, minyalo pidho ogada, pidho dhiang', and some of these things not only government can tell you. TV ka pele farming or something news bang Wednesday purgoala manyaka mokelo ka pele gidhe ngeni kacha nganya teme video no anganya teme gipudho mano dablane mondo yugra obi kai ka pesa mathis idhi dala I focus mondo mane ka yabiro get true evolution to mawan everybody to biro Nairobi chal fapaga beach era dala ibiro obi kai tiweyo iwe pudho kareyo minyalo turn into other horticulture the maji you can understand, but any kuma pesa tesa didn't everybody should go back to horticulture. Then secondly, I don't want you to marry Eriko Wacho. Kikwa think in Kisumu kende is the only hub Kaluo. In fact, if you ask me, Kisumu should not be the logistical hub Maralu Nyanza. Kisumu port is the most shallow in Lake Victoria. All of Lake Victoria from Tanzania, Uganda to Kenya. Kisumu side konye kia like Oma Bay Kibiro kama Kisumu Nyakachop kamone assemble. The rest are deep. So for logistics, seagoing vessels, yani mano mail ba tingo containers is towards Mbeta, Kidhi Mwanza, Nyaka Bukoba Koch, Nyakachop and Tebe. Dark market SGR in a way maka not export something from China to Zambia. All over Mombasa Obire port of Lake Victoria, or the northern northern Tanzania, Uganda. Then from there, all the way to Zambia, Congo. In fact, the China kono kwa ngipano, gija will get interested matendo nyaka kanye Atlantic Ocean.
Main route mana Ivasha, Kochomo, Kisumu, Kadema Labane.
Manumar no I don't train what the weekend. Ni train bero. The weekend train oken matingoji. Train is for commerce. Tingo containers. Kagulo koni. Train okono either ni weekend achopo piyo Kisumu iloso highway the highway
otigi barabara
highway the sky train ojibenia igolo goods from China lor Mombasa kusaloro with the train in 12 hours and the best place to put this train people won't believe it, but it is the ports from Beta, Gwasi, so Rinya Kameuru. The deepest ports, any sea-going vessel, nyalolowo. But kidi Kisumu, mago mende matino tendo. Manya Kisumu kacha. But a big ship will only dock in the deep end. To deep end, and mana kiambeta kidi lona kotieno. Inyano nampe. Why? Because it is shallow. A shallow place for 50 meters. Okenya kero milimatengo container elfachiel. It must go to the deep end, towards Gwasi, towards Karungu, towards Miuru. Manukuma kameli maduong obiro gowe to can take a good from this side of Victoria in Kenya to northern Tanzania to Uganda. So that northern Tanzania kinge exporting goods via Dar es Salaam to northern Tanzania is expensive than from Mombasa to Kisumu, to Lake Victoria via to northern Tanzania. To catch the population of 30 million. Other goods are that point. To manage Kenya, Nyaka Kisumu bear. Nyaka develop other areas apart from Kisumu.
Erokomana inya hakani engineer nini ni umachal nade. Hawinjo ka Lentana bindo guluparo mupogore. Hakani pachen mane.
Lendi.
Istiro record.
Lentana again for